It's that time of year, guys, where we're thinking about how are we going to spoil our chickens this year. The fine folks at Garvee are going to make it happen for us this year. So let's get to building. Come on, check it out. Well, the folks over at Garvee reached out to us and asked us to test out one of their nesting boxes. This unit's nice, guys. It has 6 different compartments. It's made of sturdy materials. And yeah, we're pretty excited about it. So the packaging is really, really nice. Well done. The outer packaging got a little scuffed up. You know, the Postal Service is not real gentle with stuff. Yeah, but Garvey makes a sturdy product. So nothing inside was damaged at all. Everything was laid out really easily. Not a bazillion parts. But as you can see, everything is laid out nicely. Yeah, we're really excited. Let's get into this. Don't forget your nuts and bolts. Now, look at these really clear instructions. They're super, super easy to follow. They're very easy to understand. So easy a caveman could do it. Get it? Get it? All the tools, all the hardware, everything is included. That eliminates a lot of stress and a lot of guesswork. So let's get to building this nesting box up, shall we? Our girls are due for a little upgrade. So we're pretty excited about adding this to our little homestead. Now look at here, guys. The sides are made, the sides and the top, they're made of galvanized steel for a sturdy build. And the sides are vented. So that keeps that air flowing in there, keeps your birds comfortable, even on the hottest days. So this thing is built and designed for years of reliable comfort for your flock. Uh-oh, it looks like he might have lost his nuts. Hang on. Oh, and guys, at the in the description of this video, there's going to be a discount code and a link. So we'd love to offer a little discount if you think this would benefit your flock. Now we're pretty excited about this. So as you can see, it comes together in a snap. So easy. This is what you want. You want simplicity and ease. And you want sturdy. Garvey has it all. We're really excited about partnering with Garvey. They offer a multitude of products, all of which are handy on the farm or homestead, whatever you got going. So be sure to check them out when you go over to check out their 6-compartment nesting box. Oh, and guys, super affordably priced. Yeah, I really love the instructions, how clear they are. Now, I want to mention too that on the back of this unit, there are holes, so you can actually mount it to the inside of your coop. And that's what we'll do, but for the purposes of this video, you'll see what we did. But yeah, we're gonna permanently mount this on the inside of our coop. I'm just really excited about this addition. It's gonna keep our eggs a lot cleaner and the birds are gonna be a lot happier. Easy peasy. Galvanized steel, guys, won't rust. Look at these nesting boxes. They're made of really sturdy plastic. They have a lid, so the eggs roll down into the little covered compartment. Keeps everything nice and clean. Again, vented. They get dirty. You just pull them out, hose them off, put them back in. You're good to go. Let's see what our girl thinks. Here's the Garvee 6-compartment nesting box with egg collection. It's time to get some girls a little bit spoiled. Yeah, you want some fun stuff? Look who's coming out to see us. Hi, Blanche.
What do you think of that, Fiona? Oh, it's special, isn't it? It's a special day for Princess Fiona. She's a happy girl. She's a happy girl.
Operation Spoiled Chickens underway.